And so it begins, guys. So it begins. This madness has begun. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing today? In today's video, as you saw in that small little intro, that was me and my mother-in-law at Walmart. What? Already. So, all we were doing was out and about. Little birdie told me that Walmart had good stock on some canning jars. So I ran my little hiney on up there and got some canning jars. As you can see, I got 9 cases. 9 beautiful cases. And then, of course, yes. I got some toilet paper. We are very well stocked in the toilet paper section, let me just say that, okay? But I am not panic buying at all by any means, okay? You should know me by now. I don't panic buy, alright? I don't. But for just in case, because you never know, only because I say this. And I do not get political on my channel at all by any means, okay? But if he who shall not be named gets in to office, he has already promised to lock us down. So, why not just prepare now so you don't have to worry about running out? Yes? So then I also picked up some paper towels, because I do use those when we have mishaps with our pets. And then, of course, bleach. Got to have bleach. And then, they didn't have Clorox wipes. They had Lysol wipes, but me, I could care less about brands. You know, I don't care. So I got the Great Value, alright, of the disinfectant wipes. So I got 6 of these. I am going to be giving some of these to my mother-in-law. So, you know, I'm not keeping all of these for myself, okay? But I am going to be giving some of these to my mother-in-law. And then, I do like these. I don't know if it's just me, but who else likes to have a nice smelling toilet? Yeah. But these hook on the side. Who cares? Okay, but anyway, and more flushable wipes. And then because she was with me, she also picked up flushable wipes, and she picked up her own supplies as well. But, yeah. So this is our small haul from Walmart's. But yeah, listen, it's getting nuts out there. I had heard from someone in our neighborhood 2 days ago that Sam's Club, which I shop at frequently, they are completely out of toilet paper. And the last time I was at Sam's was 5 days ago, but this was 3 days ago that I heard this. So Sam's Club is completely out of toilet paper and paper towels. Okay, well now you see what our local Walmart looks like. I haven't been to Target. I might just make a run to Target real quick just to have a look-see. I'll might just take a run to like Family Dollar, Dollar General. There's an upcoming video where I'm doing some prep shopping for my kids for when they come, because they'll be home in a few days, at Dollar Tree. And because they only sell the 4-packs of toilet paper. So I grabbed some toilet paper there for them. And this toilet paper, one of these will be going home with them as well. But yeah, so I did some prep shopping for them there, like, you know, HBA, stuff like that. So, but yeah, this is getting crazy now. The panic buying has begun. I'll never understand it, but alright. I just wanted to show you our small Walmart's haul, and I had to show you what was really going on inside Walmart's. I had to. Even though it was only like, what, 10 seconds? I had to show you. It's already begun. It's only going to get worse. It really is. First it started, because it started with the paper products last time. It started with the paper products last time. And then it moved on to food. So here we go again. So if you haven't heeded any warnings from before, heed this warning now. Heed this warning now. Stock up. Get your food preps together. Listen, we all came together as a community for a reason. We all talk all the time for a reason. We have all met for a reason. Tell me if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, tell me why I'm wrong. Okay? We are in each other's lives for a reason. Whether God brought us together for a reason, I don't know. None of us know. But listen. Stock up now. Don't panic buy, because us preppers, we know not to panic buy. We have been preparing for this. I know that I'm new to all of this. I've only been doing this since July, but I think I've done pretty darn good for only starting in July, all right? But listen, I really need you to heed all the warnings that you have been listening to for months, and not just from me. From Prepper Nation, Prepper Nurse 1, Angry Prepper, Prepper Now, Prepper Princess, Pinball Preparedness, and all of the many other ones. Listen to what we have to say. Even read the comment sections of all of our videos. You guys are so brilliant. You are intelligent. You are so smart. I learn from you, you learn from me. Please, heed the warnings. Learn from last time. Isn't there an old saying that says, you learn from your mistakes? What did you learn from the last time? What did you learn? I want you to sit back and I want you to think, what did you learn from the last time? And what lesson did you learn, and how did you apply it to life today? That's pretty much all I have. You know, I'm serious. What did you learn? I am here for you because I know that you are here for me, okay? We are in this together. We are family. We are friends. Most of you, if not all of you, know that at any given moment, you can get a hold of me either through the comment section or by email, butterfly030807@gmail.com. Some of you even have my personal cell phone number. Get a hold of me. If you are depressed, tell me. I will talk to you. There is no reason to go through this alone. I will always be here. I will always answer you. I am not one of those. I am not one of those who puts out videos and all these people comment, and the YouTuber or content creator or however you refer to us as does never respond. I am not one of those, because I always hated that myself. I will either always like your comment or respond, or both. So please, whatever you need, I am here. But prepare now, heed the warnings now. Because it started this way. It started this way before. And then it moved on to food. I love you. Always remember that. Okay? And if no one has told you yet today, you are appreciated. I appreciate you. If no one has told you today, I love you. Know that I love you. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe. And if nothing else, please stay positive. Goodbye.